Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a speed clean and I'm going to have a helper do my speed clean, and that is Charlie. He's down here. You're going to help me, aren't you? He looks so thrilled about that. But in today's speed clean I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and also my lounge, as it is currently an absolute tip. So I'll just quickly show you what it looks like before, and then I'll go through the speed clean, and yes, you can see me and Charlie cleaning. Hope you enjoy it. Right, so this is the lounge, the before, absolute mess. This is what happens when you have children. The sofa is just a mess, there's just stuff all over it. There's toys everywhere, there's children everywhere. But yeah, so this is the lounge, the before, and I'll take you into the kitchen. This is the kitchen, the before, so there's stuff all on this side, dirty plates on the side, last night's dinner, which is disgusting. I never usually do that, but last night I was just too tired. Stuff on the side. This side's actually pretty clear. It's just them bits up there just need a bit of a tidy up. And the floor needs to be swept, the high chair needs to be wiped over, and the table needs to be cleared. This is my little selling pile down here, which is just staying there until I sell it. Oh, hi. Did you climb out the window? Monkey. Right, so, Charlie, are you ready? Right, so, let's start, shall we? Which room should we start with?
Lounge.
The lounge. Okay, let's go. Right, so the lounge is done. Charlie's put all the toys away, and any toys that need to go back upstairs. I'm so hot, it's like 29 degrees today. And I've also put all the baby toys away, and Charlie's just finishing up on the sofa, just putting all the coasters back. I've straightened up all the sofa, folded up the blanket, and yeah, I'll quickly show you the toy corner, which I hate the toy corner, but there's literally nowhere else for the toys to go. So this is the toy area. I've tidied it all up. I've got the bricks in there, and the nappies are in there, and yeah, it's all just away now. And there's the other sofa, and the cars are in there. This unit here isn't actually supposed to be in my lounge, it's supposed to be upstairs, but Chris is in the process of sorting all the Lego out, so it's driving me mad being in here, but I've just got to live with it for now. Haven't I, Charlie?
Yeah, because it's all mine.
Right, let's go start the kitchen.
Now we're gonna do the kitchen.
Let's go. We'll start off with the
dishwasher.
And then open it. so that is the kitchen done. I will leave the mopping till this evening before I go to bed, as I like to let it dry before I go up. But now I'm just going to quickly hoover the lounge and just wipe over the sides, and then that is done, and I will show you the aftermath. And as you can see, my little helper has disappeared, but he has done his jobs, which is the dishwasher and tidying up the toys in his lounge. So he has helped me a little bit, bless him. Right, so this is the kitchen done. So all this side is now clear. All the bottles have been washed up and put in the steriliser. All the dishwasher has been put on and done. This side is in clear. So is this side. And down here, the high chair has been wiped. This is just my selling pile, which is all stuff that is currently on Facebook, ready to be sold. And yeah. The floor just needs to be mopped when I go to bed. So that was my speed clean of my downstairs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And I will see you again soon. Bye.